Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to remove your Snapchat link from your Facebook user profile. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, open up your Facebook app on your mobile device, and then from the home page click onto your profile, and then you've got a couple of different options to remove your Snapchat link. So I'll show you the first one. So under details, click on see your about info, and as you can see my Snapchat username is here. So to remove that, simply click on the pencil icon near your Snapchat username and then go ahead and click on remove, and then that will remove it from your Facebook profile. Another way to do this is to go back to your profile, and then where it says add the story, under that is three dots. Click onto the three dots, then click on to edit, top of this page, and then scroll all the way down till you see links. As you can see, my Snapchat user profile is here. So what you want to do is click on to edit next to links, and then click on find your Snapchat user profile, which in my case it is down below. Click on remove, and now that's been removed from my Facebook profile. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.